10 things you should never do during pregnancy. Pregnancy is an incredible journey, but also a time when every decision matters. Knowing what's safe and what's not can feel overwhelming, especially with so much advice coming from all directions. That's why we're here to simplify it for you. Here's a list of 10 essential things to avoid during pregnancy. 1. Avoid raw meat and uncooked foods. While eating raw or undercooked meat and vegetables might satisfy your cravings, they can harbor harmful bacteria like Salmonella or Listeria. 2. A warm cup of coffee may seem comforting, but too much caffeine can disturb your sleep and increase your blood pressure. 3. If you're a cat owner, avoid cleaning the litter box. Cat feces may contain a parasite that causes toxoplasmosis. 4. Books, magazines, and well-meaning relatives often have conflicting advice. This can leave you feeling confused. Always consult your doctor before making decisions about your pregnancy. 5. While vitamins are essential during pregnancy, excessive vitamin A can lead to developmental issues in your baby. Never take supplements without your doctor's approval. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy care-related videos. Please continue watching. 6. Avoid sitting or standing in one position for too long, whether at work or home. This can cause swelling in your ankles and strain your veins. 7. Say no to hot baths and saunas. A long soak in a hot tub may sound relaxing, but it can raise your body temperature to dangerous levels. 8. Pregnancy is not the time for intense workouts. Avoid weight training, contact sports, and exercises that strain your abdomen. Instead, try prenatal yoga or gentle walking to stay healthy. 9. Avoid amusement park rides. They may seem fun, but the sudden movements and forceful impacts can harm your baby. They may even lead to complications like placental separation. 10. Protect yourself and your baby by avoiding unprotected sex or multiple partners, as STD can harm the baby and complicate delivery. By following these tips, you can minimize risks and enjoy a healthy pregnancy. Always reach out to your doctor if you have questions or concerns.